Open up to my surprise at last. Ya Allah, thank you for another chance standing at my door. Ya Allah, you've given me hope, delivered this gift right to my home. مرحب مرحب يا رمضان، أحيي قلوبنا بالقرآن.